will show you how our personalization engine works. So as soon as the visitor visits to a particular website where our system is in place, it starts tracking the visitor activity from the same moment. Now the beauty of the system is that the personalization engine can control all these front-end UI elements, something like, for example, this is the announcement bar, or a pop-up, or even a component of the website. So all that can be controlled and changed in real time by our personalization engine, depending on who is browsing the website, and what exactly they are browsing. So, for example, the playbook can be different for a new user versus for a repeat user. And so I'll just show you how the personalization engine controls the income. This is like a default message which we are showing to each and every customer coming to the website. But now, our front end system has sent a message to the personalization that it's a new user, and you should be giving a discount to the customer. Okay. So what our personalization does engine does is it basically triggers the front end element. So for example, in announcement bar, okay, it will basically from the backend engine will trigger the front end element, and uh, the message is changed for the same customer, and this happens in the real time. So just for the sake of demo, I'm showing you how the complete system works. Also, all these components can also talk with each other. So for example, instead of showing a pop-up to a customer and irritating them, the user can basically user can initiate the interaction with all these components. So for example, for a new customer, I can it's saying click here for 10% off, and then once the user fills this pop-up, we can send we send a personalized coupon code to the customer, which is valid for that particular user for a limited point of time on their WhatsApp, and then we that's how we take the WhatsApp opt-in of the customer as well. We want to entice the customer to start interacting with our chat system. So chat system is a hybrid system. So every time when the customer interacts with the chat system, it basically it is capable of doing two things: understanding what customer is asking for, all the frequent e-commerce use cases like return, cancellation, order tracking, and all. But it also understand the product, description, and answer the queries about the product in multiple languages. Um, so, and multiple languages, I mean even hybrid languages like English and all. So typically, how you attract the customer to talk to your system and get their query resolved. So again, our personalization engine can basically control this pop-up and entice the customer to start that interaction. So for example, say the personalization engine is sending asking the pop-up to you know uh, to show to start interaction with the customer is a personalized message, and it could be multilingual as well. Okay. The third thing is even a specific part of UI component. So this is a custom UI component which is totally controlled by our personalization engine. Okay. And again, personalization engine can change these product recommendations. What are the product we are showing? Change the status. I mean the messaging and all. You know, and all these things happens in a real time. So again, in real time, it will update, and as you can see, that is updated in the front end. So it's very powerful, smart UI component which understand, and it's a very innovative way of interacting with the customer without disturbing their natural flow of browsing the products and all, by understanding what they are browsing, what they're looking for, and try to convert that customer using different techniques. And there are a lot of playbooks available to do that, different kind of